Taksya po, nasira yung amin tent, kaya bumili kami ng bago.
Okay, so we're opening it. Okay.
You have a box with Algo 3 vinyl.
Ango 3.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Vinyl. So we chose Ango 3. Actually, it's a choice between NatureHike and Black Dog. But when we asked the group which is better, but it's the same company. Okay.
It's the same company but in a different name. So yeah.
Okay, comes with a box and a bag.
Box
Okay,
with bag.
NatureHike outdoors. Make outdoor lifestyle. Ango 3.
And with the
Qualification certificate, NatureHike. Ango 3, 3-person pop-up tent.
Gano'n siya kataas? Tayo ka na.
Anong gano'ng kataas?
Pagkabit-bit mo siya, tatayo mo siya.
Tayo ba? Tayo ba?
Yan.
Hanggang bewang ng 10-year-old, which is almost 5 feet. Okay,
Right.
we'll be opening it.
Yes.
Okay, the bag looks good.
The logo
Kaya
is
sa
on the
sa
other side, so yeah.
yeah. Kesa ron sa nabibili sa yung momors natin nung una.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it looks more like
It's black.
And black.
Okay, the bag looks good.
Oh, instructions inside the bag.
So, ang laman ng bag is the tent itself. I think this is the
Canopy,
canopy. And the poles.
the poles, and anchor with,
And the bag.
and the bag
The
with
anchor and the lines.
it. Nothing else
Ooh.
inside.
Okay.
I think it's a bit more.
No, this is good.
Oh,
Oh.
wow!
Heavy duty.
Yeah,
Oh. Stick.
very good.
Lucky, ah.
And a pointed tip, guys. Point. What the hell is that?
Ganda niya, laki.
Yeah.
Hindi siya mayuyuko, hindi kagaya nung isa-isa. Ang hirap ipako. This looks good. Para siyang disingko na pako.
Yeah.
6 inches.
The top is a bit.
Laki, ilan siya? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pieces.
Ooh.
Ooh. So, okay. So 10 pieces of anchors
Yes.
and
That's better.
lines.
Yes.
And
Sticks. That's six. That will make it. So,
okay. Kagaya ng isa.
oh. So yeah, this is one piece.
Buhay mo.
Okay.
Yeah. Tama. Careful. I think. Yeah. So kaya siyang buuin kahit ang bata. Very easy.
Cap. Yes.
Kasi laki mo.
It's
5
as
feet.
big as me.
Okay.
Yes.
So, taba na natin to. Open up. One strap. Sabihin niya sa dito. Sa dito. Okay. So,
It has the same pose as the.
So,
Whoa!
And-
What's that?
so So automatic siya, guys.
So it's also automatic.
At ang angas ng kanyang mga poles, ha? Oh, ready? Ikaw na po.
Okay.
Oh, kaya siyang buhay ng bata.
Really big. Like,
Okay, it's standing up.
oh wow.
So telescopic siya. Yun.
Whoa.
So, ito lang iangat natin para mag-lock. Oh, yun. Hilahin lang po.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
tutunog yan. Click. So, oh, ikot natin. Yan, yung pangalan.
Wow.
Automatic ang pag siya naglalak kahit telescopic. Yan. Nice. Okay, teka ito. So,
Yeah.
yun.
Nice. Ganda.
Nice.
Ganda niya, honestly. Ang angas. Oo. Oh, nakalock na siya. Self-locking, pero madali lang siyang mabunot pag kailangan. Pipindutin mo lang, ibababa na siya. Oh. Wow. Awesome. So, hilahin lang natin para tumayo. Which is good. Okay. Okay na. Ayun, nakatayo na siya. Sturdy siya, hindi kagaya ng Salamat Shopee.
Whoa.
No?
Yung sa taas.
Ayun, paano rin pala.
Oh yeah, the canopy. Canopy. Yes.
Nasaan yung ano niya? Pinto.
So bintana yan. Teka, iikot natin.
Oh.
Kasi yan yung may pangalan ka. Oh, what? Oh, ganun din yung purpose yung style niya. Kasabit lang rin. Meron siyang kwan. Meron siyang
Oh,
eye.
it has this.
Yes.
Nine.
Yan. Okay, mabilis siyang i-set up. Kahit bata, pag praktisado, kaya to. Oh. Yan, oh. Wow! Saka. May rubberized naman siya. Rubberized to. Oh. Oh.
Ooh.
Okay, ikot natin kasi yun yung na pinto. Ikot eh. Ano to yun? Yan. Yan.
It has the logo
Halika
on
rin eh.
one of them.
Buksan natin.
Okay.
Sorry.
Whoa.
Oh, may strap pa.
Yeah.
Yung magic tape ba yun?
Yeah, I think.
So, ikot. So, challenge yung pag si bago pa. 3, 2, 1. I did it! Ako na.
It's a bit hard for a child.
Hindi ko muna sa taas. Sa baba, yung pinaka-kwan niya. Locking piece.
So yeah,
So,
high quality.
well, yun. Open na. Oo, sa taas siya.
Oh,
Both ways.
and both legs.
Both ways siya. So, ganun. Oh. Okay. Oh. Ganun din. May pwede siya.
No, it's the same.
Oh. Okay. Well.
This one.
May black one pala.
There's a black one.
Medyo ko naman siya kapag bagay kulay pero yan, tabilis lang siya. Yeah. Yun.
The black part is a bit thick.
Pasok.
Alright.
Yan. So, spacious siya. Tayo ka pa. Oh. 5 feet. No? Kahit siya, nakakatayo. So, upo ka. For an adult, it's okay. So, 3 persons daw. Higa ka lang.
Okay.
3 to 4.
Yeah. Oh. Kaya 4. Kaso lang hindi gagalaw. Higa lang. 3 convenient. So,
Oh, the
ayun, no?
So guys, the window has a...
Hindi siya mainit actually.
Yeah.
No, sabitan ng ilaw. Tapos, ayun, yung specs na kinuha natin is yung may vinyl coating. Ito, waterproof.
There's a cover for the window inside.
Yung isa kasi, yung yung hindi siya waterproof talaga. Ito yung may coating. Diba ito yung bilan natin? So yun. Yung unboxing. So we will see sa next camping, yung follow-up review. How it fares sa mainit, sa malamig, sa hangin. Kasi yun ang naging problema ng una naming tent.
Yeah.
Yung sa hangin, medyo na ganun siya. Yun, medyo nahina siya. This one looks better.
Yeah.
Especially yung one nga niya, yung mga poles niya. Mas malaki siya.
Especially the sticks on it. Yeah.
Yeah. So, ayun. So, ito. May isang sarili dito yun. So, I guess dito yung mga tali
Mm-hmm.
para mas matibay siya.
Yeah.
Oh. So all in all, maganda siya. First impression, maganda siya. So meron din siyang mga pouches sa
It
loob.
has some pouches.
Pouch lang pala. Isa.
Oh.
Isang pouch for important items like cellphone, wallet. Yan.
First aid kit.
So ayun. The ventilation looks good also. Net, sturdy. Buksan naman yung kotak yung kabila.
Okay.
So, four con siya. 2 doors. Plus 2 windows on the side.
On the inside, it has a cover for the window.
Yan.
Hello.
So that, I guess yun yung sa initial unboxing and review. The first impression, it looks good.
Yeah.
The quality, kung maganda. As compared dun sa una natin binili. The seams, yun, quality rin siya. Yung kasing first tent natin, pag nilihila mo, lumalagotok yung mga tahi niya.
Yeah.
Yan. So yun yung isang additional pa. So meron siyang additional na magic tape bukod sa zipper. So pwede mo siyang i-tape. Yan. Oh, okay. Yan. So ito ang NatureHike Ango 3 automatic tent.
We chose the waterproof one over the plastic one.
So, pwede siyang i-set up actually ng bata. Kayang-kaya. Madali lang siya. Mas maganda yung quality ng materials niya. So, ito is
Sticks.
pang awning. I think so.
Yes.
Wait.
Alright.
Ang galing natin ito. Sorry, ang flower.
Okay. It's so very easy to cut off.
Push mo, push.
Here we go.
Oo. Oh, ayan. So, meron siyang yan.
Yeah.
Meron siyang baby awning.
Pretty big. Yeah?
Ayan.
So yeah.
Yan na. So, ayan. So guys, yan na. Ito na pa yan.
Goodbye, mga CampEkat, and see you on the next video. Bye!